Speaker, sir, fear and anxiety among the people of Velim constituency due to the persistent low pressure of water supply. The project for replacement of 300 mm AC pipeline with a 300 mm DI pipeline along with laying of 200 mm, 150 mm and 100 mm DI pipelines from Padribat tapping point to IDC Margaon and the Gali area of Sanjadi area was tendered and proposed in the Goa budget 2024-25. However, this project remains pending for want of work order. As a result, village continues to suffer from inadequate water pressure. Adding to this hardship, there is no full-time junior engineer appointed for Velim constituency, leaving the people without dedicated technical support to address daily grievances and ensure timely maintenance. Furthermore, several other proposed work that were tendered remain pending, compounding the frustration of the people who continues to wait for basic infrastructure improvement. To mitigate the continuing low pressure and avoid shortage of water, there is an urgent need to construct some tanks and overhead tanks at locations such as Mall, Digarpalli, Odatori and Pokliwada, so that residents can be assured of reliable and dignified water supply. I therefore urge the Honorable Minister for Public Water to take immediate steps to expedite this project, appoint a full-time junior engineer for Velim constituency and ensure a provision of sump and overhead tank, thereby providing long-awaited relief to the people of Velim constituency.